Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to look at passive income streams and I'm going to share with you my earnings and behind the scenes. And look, this isn't to brag or gloat or be a dick, it's to share with you what is achievable, what's possible, and ultimately how if you put in the time and the effort then you can try and get similar results, hopefully get better results. But as a long-time viewer of this channel, or if you're new here, welcome first of all. But if you're a long-time viewer of this channel, you may think, this is great for you, Mark. You've got a channel which is it's not pretty big. It's coming up to 50,000 subscribers, so it's relatively big. But this didn't happen overnight. It took time, it took effort, and more importantly, it took me to learn new skills and adapt them and develop them. But overall, it's pretty simple stuff, and as you can see here, I'm not sat with like flashy cars or any of the usual things that you think when it comes to making money online. It's just me in my office at home, and predominantly this is where all of the work happens, and it's all genuinely simple stuff. So let's walk through these passive income streams, and I'll try and be as open and as transparent as possible with this for you. But please understand, any one of these passive income streams, you can set these up today. All of these are free to get started with, and you can start earning from this in, you can potentially start earning in a week, maybe a week. It can take a bit longer to set everything up, but once you get this up and running, it can genuinely start to snowball, and you can see some incredible results. So let's jump into today's video and we'll start right at the beginning. So we'll go through passive income stream number one, and my first passive income stream is affiliate marketing. Now in terms of affiliate marketing, how does that work? Well, I go ahead and I find products or services that I like, I use, or I've been given access to, and I will go through and have a look at them, and if I recommend them, then I will share them on either my YouTube channel or I'll share them over here on my blog. Now in terms of affiliate commissions, how much do I earn? Well, let's go and share some earnings with you now on a couple of different platforms. So this is over on one platform, it's called Warrior Plus. I've just literally took this for the last 60 days. So you can see the 1st of September till today's date, I've managed to earn over coming up to $11,700 in 2 months. So it's life-changing, to be honest. So that's over on one platform here. We've got another platform over here called JVZoo. You can see here in the last 7 days we've managed $605. And then I've got another platform over here which is called Content Samurai. It's a software that I use and recommend. And you can see we've got September, October, and also November up here. If I scroll down, you can see the affiliate commissions that I've earned. So 400, 600, and so far this month. So in terms of affiliate marketing, how does it work? Well, it's really simple. You find a product or a service, and 9 times out of 10 they will have an affiliate program. You can apply to them and then recommend that to someone, and if they purchase, you earn a fee or a commission basically, and that can range anywhere from, on the low end over at Amazon, between 3 and 5%. Over on platforms like this Noble Samurai, or especially over on this Warrior Plus, you can earn up to 100% commissions. So it's awesome, isn't it? You recommend a product that you use or like, and you earn an affiliate commission. Now in terms of myself, obviously I'm in the make money online niche with this channel and also with my blog, and there's many scrupulous people within the make money online industry. I know without being brash, that if a product come out tomorrow, if I was to do a review video on my channel, I know I could make sales on that. And I know lots of people, and I see lots of people doing this, whereby they'll promote any old crap. Like genuinely, there's some terrible products and courses out there, and people would go ahead and promote them. Now, I only ever share with my audience. I only ever share content that I'm either using myself or I've had review access to, and I genuinely think it would benefit them. So that's the first one. It is it was affiliate marketing. And as I mentioned, you can find affiliate programs on absolutely anything. You can find them on Asda, Walmart, M&S, Tesco's, anything, any products or service that you like or use, you can go ahead and create content around that and start earning an affiliate commission. And look, let me show you an example of this over on my blog. This is a really simple example. So if I go over here onto my blog on my Make Money page, if I just scroll down here, you'll see some different affiliate products that I use daily and I recommend. And again, I earn an affiliate commission for sharing that basically. So you see on here, real ways to make money from home today. If people read this article within here, there are affiliate links and I earn a commission. If I scroll down here on the right hand side, look at this, there's a free course over here for ClickFunnels. If anybody goes through this and then upgrades, I earn an affiliate commission. Do I use ClickFunnels? Yes. Do I recommend it? Yes, because I use it daily in my business. We've then got, look at this, a free book. Again, I earn an affiliate commission. This one here is Content Samurai. Again, affiliate commission. So there's a number of ways that you can earn money with affiliate marketing. You can go ahead and create blogs like this. You can go and create a YouTube channel. You can even do silly things like create a Facebook page and share content on that. And I've shared videos in the past about that. But that is one of my passive income streams, and it's affiliate marketing. So you can go down the route of doing like a reviewing things. So if you like, if you like certain products, you can purchase them and then do like a review on that. And there's lots of people who do that on YouTube. Personally, I try and focus on evergreen content and evergreen products, because in the make money online niche, people are always interested in, funnily enough, making money online. So the content that I share and put out, I don't really tend to focus too much on review stuff. I tend to focus on, things like this one here, real ways to make money from home today. People are always going to be searching for this because they're fed up with the job, or they want, they're looking to earn some extra income. So putting out content like this, it works two ways, because if I get people on my blog reading this, then that's great, because I can earn an affiliate commission from here. And if I get people watching my YouTube channel, then I also earn an affiliate commission from there using these search terms up here. So that is income stream number one. It's affiliate marketing. I genuinely love affiliate marketing. I highly recommend it. And please, if you are going to go into affiliate marketing, you don't have to pay hundreds of thousands of pounds for any courses. You can probably find all the information for affiliate marketing on YouTube for free. I've got a course. I think I charge $10 for my course. I'll drop a link to that below for you. Feel free to have a look at it, but you don't need to if you don't want. You can go and find all the information on YouTube or just on Google. So that's affiliate income. That is passive income number one. That is affiliate marketing. Now the second one I'm going to talk to you about is obviously my YouTube channel. Now, in terms of my YouTube channel, you can see on here, I've currently got 48,300 subscribers, and this has slowed down a hell of a lot recently, and that's probably because I took a bit of time off when my daughter was born. But in terms of YouTube, I would genuinely recommend, if you have an interest or a hobby of any kind, create a YouTube channel, because it genuinely can change your life. Now, when you're first starting out, again, it can be frustrating, it can be time consuming, and you'll feel like giving up. And how do I know that? Because everyone I speak to felt like that, and I felt like that myself. I remember my first couple of months of taking it serious. I thought, why am I doing this? What is the point? I'm putting out content for 20, 30 people to watch these videos. But then I looked at other people, especially in the making money online scene, and I saw the content they was putting out in the videos, and I just thought, if they can do it, then there's absolutely no reason why I can't do it. I remember making a commitment to myself that I wouldn't quit YouTube until I got my channel monetized, and fast forward to today, we're sitting at 48,300 subscribers. But I spent a lot of time I bought courses, I went and watched videos, and I learned everything I could about this. And look, if you want to fast track all of this, go over here to my blog, go over to YouTube. There's an article on here. I need to update it actually, but there's an article on here. Look, how to get more YouTube subscribers, my journey so far. I share all of the numbers on here of how it started to snowball, because it does snowball, I promise you. So if I scroll down here, let's just scroll down here. You can see I've got all the content on here. So how to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers in 7 weeks. I go over different softwares that you can use. These are all free. So you've got Rapid Tags, vidIQ, and there's more examples in here. So feel free to go ahead and check out this article here. But on here, I've got my journey on YouTube so far, and you can see here are my YouTube subscriber numbers. So I started taking this seriously. What's that? So I haven't got my glasses on. The 25th of September 2018. So it was just over a year ago that on this channel I had 50 subscribers. So let's fast forward. You can see here it took what, 3 weeks to get to 100 subscribers. That was the middle of October. If we fast forward to the end of the year, here we're then at 900 subscribers. So you can see from the middle of October to December, it jumped pretty significantly, didn't it? And then we're into the new year, and you can see we're at 1,000 here. So it took literally, what, 3 days to get another 100 subscribers, which was brilliant. And then, as you can see, look, I was just tracking this and sharing my journey on here. But once it starts to snowball, let me show you this. It was, I think it was like a week or 3 days where it's got 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, look here. It was here, look. So 10th of April, I had 11,000 subscribers. 11th of April, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15, 16, 17. So I had nearly a consecutive week of getting 1,000 subscribers every single day. And look at this, on one day I got 2,000 subscribers, and this was on April. So if we go back up here, so from September to April, in just over 6 months, we went from literally, what, 50 subscribers to 19,000 subscribers. So this is the power of YouTube. All it takes is one video, and if you learn how to do YouTube properly, and what I mean by that is if you include, like if I show you up here, if I go up here, things like rapid tags, you'd be amazed at the number of people who don't include the proper video tags on the videos. If we then go up here, there's a free tool here called vidIQ. Again, people don't know about this and they don't use this. If I then scroll up here, we've also got, things like keywords, descriptions, and lots more things. Go over to my blog and have a look at these different articles that I've got on YouTube, because everything I've done to be successful on my channel, I share over on my blog here on the YouTube series. So feel free to go ahead and have a look at this. But let's talk about the thing you're actually interested in, which is the money side of it, no doubt. We'll go over here and I'll show you this. I'm going to have to blank a bit of this out because YouTube don't like you sharing too much about your earnings. But again, this is literally can be life-changing income. So if I scroll down here, you can see obviously my channel wasn't monetized here. I think I got monetized in January or February. Here we go. So the first day I earned 1 cent. Brilliant, eh? So by that point I think I'd put out something like 27 or 28 videos and I earned 1 cent. But please don't let that put you off, because look what happens here. The next proper day I earned $20. Brilliant, $20. And then the next day 18, 20, 15, 14, 30. And you can see on here all these daily amounts of money here. So by now my YouTube channel was bringing me in a passive income. Now just keep looking at this. So we're going up and up and up and up and up. And you can see on here, look, I remember this. I remember getting the first $100 down YouTube. It was insane. The middle of the end of March. So my channel got monetized beginning of February. By the end of March, I had my first $100 day on YouTube from advertisements, where people will pay to put their advert at the beginning of my video or in the middle or at the end. If I then scroll along here, I remember it started going really. I think this is where I got like the 1,000 subscribers a day. Look at this, at the peak it jumped up to $301 in a day from putting videos on YouTube. It's just mind-boggling, isn't it? And then we had another day at 200, etc, etc. But look, this didn't happen overnight. It was incredibly frustrating in the beginning because I didn't learn how to do this properly and keyword research and other bits. But as you can see on here, from here we were earning nothing, and then we finally got the channel monetized and then started earning this amount of affiliate, this amount of income up here. Excuse me, it's just absolutely awesome, and it genuinely is. And again, look, this isn't to show off or show you how well my channel is doing. It isn't. It's to show you what is achievable if you put in the time and the effort with this. Because I could have given up, and I know lots of people who started at the same time as me, and they give up and now they're regretting it. If you just continue and persevere with this, you can make this successful. I've had a lot of students who have gone through and similar struggles in the beginning, but now they're earning money with the YouTube channel. So that is passive income source number 2. It's YouTube advertisements. Passive income stream number 3 is these advertisements, and I hate these, but it's just a passive income stream. It's these here. So Google will pay me to put these little banners here over on my blog. And I don't earn a lot from this. I think I earn about $300, $400 a month from just having these on, on my blog. But all of these on here, they're scattered throughout the different articles. You'll see them. Google just rotates them all the time. But that is passive income stream number 3. It is these adverts over on my blog, and to be honest with you, I'm probably going to remove them because they're starting to annoy me when I'm going on my blog. But there is passive income number 3. It's advertisements on my blog here. passive income stream number 4, it's a bit different to things, and it's earning royalties. So I earn royalties with this company over here. Sorry, it's this one here. I'll just show you this. It's not this one, it's Cooler Brands. This is a recent one that I added into my passive income portfolio. Excuse me. And basically how this works is I invest in companies who are just starting out, they're either starting out or they're looking for investment so that they can go ahead and grow the brand and get more exposure to that. And by participating in Cooler Brands, then I earn a royalty for life every time that company makes a sale, whether that's online, offline. And the companies who have partnered with Cooler Brands, they are huge. Some of them are listed on Amazon, they're listed in Walmart, they're listed with big national brands over in America like Bye Bye Baby and many more of these. Scroll down the page here. Here are some of the different companies who they've worked with. We've got Drop It Baby, Cords of Steel, and there's over 50 of these companies. So this is a recent one, but I love this. I recommend this, and I'll drop a link to this below. Feel free to go ahead and have a look at this if you want. So that is another passive income stream. It's this one here, and it's earning royalties from companies and brands and musicians via this platform here. It's called Cooler Brands. So look, that is pretty much today's video. I hope it's giving you some guidance, some inspiration, but more importantly, to show you what is achievable. Because as I've mentioned, my YouTube channel over here, it's coming up to 50,000. Well, I say it's coming up to, hopefully it'll be at 50,000 by the end of the year. It's coming up to 50,000 subscribers, and it took literally, it's taken a year to get to this point here. So I'm also now starting to build other YouTube channels around this, and this is without me being on camera or even me talking. And I'll show you another example of this. So over here, you see this one here, this Natural Remedies. This is one of my channels. This video here, it's had 1,700 views, so I'm building up this channel to start bringing in a passive income from here. How am I making money with this one over here? Well, again, really simple stuff. This here, I'm doing affiliate marketing, and once this channel here gets monetized, I'll be earning commissions from YouTube for the ads. But if I scroll down here, you can see I'm linking out to these different products down here, and I've also started including some Amazon links as well in some of these different videos. So I'll very quickly show you this, and so that you know what I'm telling you is 100% truthful. You see this one here, the incredible benefits of apple cider vinegar. If I click on this, click on pause, scroll down here, and you can see, look, get your apple cider vinegar, and it's sending people over to Amazon. And again, why am I doing this? Why am I creating this channel over here? To bring in a passive income, because as you've seen, YouTube, it can literally skyrocket overnight. So my goal now is to create as many of these YouTube channels as possible, and how I'm literally outsourcing all of the work on here now, and I'm doing that from the money that I am making from the first channel. So my Not Taught at School channel is now funding this Natural Remedies channel, and this Natural Remedies channel, once this is up and monetized, this will go ahead and fund another channel, and then another, etc, etc. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. One last thing, I will not forget to do the giveaway. Every day we do a video giveaway, but for some reason the YouTube comment picker website that I use, it's not working today. I've tried it 3 or 4 times and it's not been working. So we will do that video tomorrow, and we'll do 2 winners. Okay, so look, thank you ever so much for watching today's video. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. If you found it useful, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. But look, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.